Hello trader. The superhero indicator uses a swing reversal trading strategy, and together with the utility that I give for free to every buyer of this trading system, it consistently earns a profit. I will now show you how this system works in reality. So to start, we click the optimize button so that the indicator selects the best trading settings in order to provide you with the best trading signals in the future. After the indicator has selected the best settings for providing you with the best trading signals going forward, it shows first of all its signals on the historical price data. That is how it trades, how it shows all the new trades for you. It shows in the statistics table how many trades there were with these settings, what the trading result was, and of course it will provide the same profitable trading signals in the future. And then the indicator will analyze the movement of quotes on the price chart, yes, and provide new trading signals based on which you will make trades either with the help of this trading utility, using special keys, or simply using your MetaTrader 5 mobile platform, which is installed on your smartphone. When you decide to make a trade, the utility, which I provide to every single buyer completely for free, automatically picks up this trade and will then proceed to close it out precisely at those special predetermined target levels. That is, you won't need to watch every trade, track it manually on your own. The utility will set orders for each trade, stop loss and take profit, and will close this trade at the target levels. And of course, so that you make a profit, just like I do on my trading account. Everything brilliant is simple and it's suitable even for beginner traders. By the way, I provide a detailed video tutorial on how to install and set up this system. If you don't have any time at all for manual trading, that's not a problem at all. Just install the superhero indicator on your home computer or a remote server, and it will send push notifications to your smartphone throughout the day, and you will be able to make trades directly through the MT5 mobile platform. My utility will handle all your trading operations and close them with maximum profit. So your task is simply to track the signals from the superhero indicator and open trading positions on time. Everything brilliant is simple, friends. See you later.